This is an older model, perhaps 5 or 6 years older, and it's a Dyson. I believe they called it the Animal. Now the new ones I've heard are much easier to clean than these old ones. But I found a fairly good way to clean these, and we're going to show you how I've done it. I put a light behind the vacuum canister so that you can see what it typically looks like when it's almost full. Now you can see down here, most of it will come out when you open the bottom. But up here, this is hard to get out. And if you've ever tried to clean one of these, you know what I mean. So I've come up with a solution that does a fair job on this without taking it all to pieces. Now we're going to open the bottom here and see just what falls out by itself. A good amount comes out of there. And we still have some left in here. Let's take it back to the light and have a look at that. Yep, there it is. That hard to get at dirt that doesn't want to come out unless you take this whole thing apart. So here's what we're trying to do. Now I've got this in the vise held upside down just for the purpose of taking a video. You would have it, I'm sure, the other way up so that more dirt would fall out. But just so that you can see how well this works, it's not such a bad idea to have it upside down. What I've got here is a 5/16 steel wire brush. And that fits rather nicely into here. Just all the way around and pull it out, and look at all that stuff that comes out of there. That's a lot of dirt. We'll clean that off. The best way to clean this off, it really is if you have an air gun. That really gets it clean. And we'll just go back in and see if we missed anything here. Not much. I think we just about got it all with that. All right, we're back in front of the light for another inspection. It looks pretty clean. With really just one try. We didn't pick up much on that second try. So there's a way for you to do it. 5/16 steel wire brush. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.